Hi guys, I'm Rango Gentil and I wish to share my experience with Lakshman Ruidas. I have been working with him for a while now and I want to say his services are so great. First, I want to talk on the affordability. His prices are really affordable and you can always negotiate with him. And when it comes to the punctuality, communication skills, and even on the job, he helped me to create my Google Ad account. And presently, he's helping me with the management of the account. And also, if I need any other recommendations and anything that's related to my Google Ad and online marketing, digital marketing, it's so great.